In this video, I am going to show you how to import AliExpress products to Zendrop if you don't find them on Zendrop. I'm excited to introduce you to this fantastic new feature on Zendrop that opens up a world of possibilities for sourcing products. The ability to import directly from Express. Let's dive into how this feature works and how it can benefit you. Product search. Begin by searching for the product you're interested in. Add it to your store within Zendrop's catalog. If you can't find it there, don't worry, we've got you covered with AliExpress import feature. At the bottom of the Zendrop page, you'll notice a convenient button labeled Import from AliExpress. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to paste the link for the desired product from AliExpress. Head over to AliExpress, find the product you want to import and copy its link. Then paste it into Zendrop and allow a few moments for all the details to be imported seamlessly. Once the import is complete, take a moment to review the product information pulled from AliExpress. You'll find descriptions, images, and other key details that you can customize to align with your store's branding. Once you're satisfied with the product details, simply hit the import button to add it to your store's inventory. In case you already have a similar product in your store and wish to replace it with the imported one, you can do so effortlessly by selecting the option to override the existing product. Upon import, you'll receive confirmation, and Zendrop will notify the supplier. Expect an email from the supplier within 24 hours regarding the availability and pricing of the product. And that's it, guys. With Zendrop's AliExpress import feature, you can broaden your product offerings and stay ahead in the competitive market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore and capitalize on AliExpress's extensive range of products. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.